Dog. Dog. I am your loyal friend and I love to play. Cat. Cat. I am very soft and I love to purr. Horse. Horse. I am a strong runner and I like to gallop. Cow. Cow. I live on the farm and I give you milk. Elephant. Elephant. I am the biggest land animal with a long trunk. Lion. Lion. I am the king of the jungle with a big mane. Tiger. Tiger. I have orange fur with beautiful black stripes. Rabbit. Rabbit. I have long ears and I love to hop. Panda. Panda. I am a fluffy bear and I love eating bamboo. Dolphin. Dolphin. I am a smart swimmer and I love to jump. Wolf. Wolf. I howl at the moon and live in a pack. Fox. Fox. I am a clever animal with a bushy tail. Bear. Bear. I am big and strong and I love honey. Giraffe. Giraffe. I have a very long neck to reach high trees. Monkey. Monkey. I love to swing from tree to tree. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. I carry my baby in a cozy pouch. Zebra. Zebra. I look like a horse with black and white stripes. Penguin. Penguin. I am a bird that loves to swim in the ice. Shark. Shark. I am a fast hunter in the deep blue sea. Tortoise. Tortoise. I move very slowly and carry my house. Parrot. Parrot. I am a colorful bird and I can copy you. Owl. Owl. I can see in the dark and I fly quietly. Chicken. Chicken. I lay eggs for you and go cluck cluck. Pig. Pig. I am a smart animal and I like the mud. Goat. Goat. I love to climb and jump on the rocks. Sheep. Sheep. My wool is very soft and keeps you warm. Duck. Duck. I love to swim and say quack, quack. Eagle. Eagle. I fly very high and have very sharp eyes. Frog. Frog. I am a green jumper and I love the pond. Snake. Snake. I wiggle on the ground and have no legs. Whale. Whale. I am a giant and I live in the ocean. Cheetah. Cheetah. I am the fastest runner in the world. Crocodile. Crocodile. I have big teeth and I love the water. Gorilla. Gorilla. I am a very strong and gentle giant. Octopus. Octopus. I have 8 arms and I live under the sea. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. I am very smart and I like to climb. Hamster. Hamster. I am a tiny pet and I love my wheel. Mouse. Mouse. I am very small and I like to eat cheese. Bat. Bat. I fly at night and sleep upside down. Turtle. Turtle. I love to swim and I have a hard shell. Llama. Llama. I have thick fur and I live in the mountains. Deer. Deer. I am very shy and I have beautiful antlers. Squirrel. Squirrel. I love to collect nuts and climb trees. Koala. Koala. I am a furry friend that loves to sleep. Peacock. Peacock. Look at my beautiful and colorful tail. Antelope. Antelope. I am a fast runner and I can jump high. Leopard. Leopard. I have many spots and I am a good climber. Donkey. Donkey. I am a hard worker and I live on the farm. Camel. Camel. I can walk for a long time in the desert. Raccoon. Raccoon. I have a black mask and I am very curious. Bumblebee. Bumblebee. I fly over flowers and make a buzz sound. Flamingo. Flamingo. I am a pink bird and I stand on one leg. Clownfish. Clownfish. I am a bright orange fish in the ocean. Starfish. Starfish. I am shaped like a star and live on the sand. Seagull. Seagull. I love to fly over the beach and the waves. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. I look like an umbrella and I am very soft. Sea lion. Sea lion. I am a great swimmer and I bark like a dog. Walrus. Walrus. I have two long tusks and I love the ice. Pelican. Pelican. I have a big beak to catch many fish. Albatross. Albatross. I have very large wings to fly over the sea. Meerkat. Meerkat. I stand up tall to look for my friends. Iguana. Iguana. I am a green lizard that loves the sun. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. I am a giant that loves to stay in the river. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. I am very strong and I have a big horn. Lobster. Lobster. I live at the bottom of the sea with my claws. Crab. Crab. I walk sideways on the sandy beach. Pigeon. Pigeon. I live in the city and I fly everywhere. Swan. Swan. I am a graceful bird that glides on the water. Turkey. Turkey. I am a big bird with colorful feathers. Moose. Moose. I am a very large deer with flat antlers. Weasel. Weasel. I am very thin and I can move very fast. Skunk. Skunk. I have a white stripe and a very strong smell. Hyena. Hyena. I make a sound that sounds like a laugh. Vulture. Vulture. I fly in circles high up in the blue sky. Porcupine. Porcupine. I have many sharp quills on my back. Opossum. Opossum. I am a quiet animal that comes out at night. Salamander. Salamander. I look like a lizard and I love the damp woods. Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon. I am the largest lizard in the world. Tapir. Tapir. I have a short trunk and I love the jungle. Quokka. Quokka. I am a happy animal with a big smile. Armadillo. Armadillo. I have a hard shell and I can roll up. Sloth. Sloth. I move very slowly and live in the trees. Manatee. Manatee. I am a gentle giant that swims in the river. Coyote. Coyote. I am a wild dog that howls at night. Snow leopard. Snow leopard. I live in the cold and snowy mountains. Lynx. Lynx. I am a wild cat with tufts on my ears. Mongoose. Mongoose. I am very quick and I am very brave. Beaver. Beaver. I use my teeth to build homes in the water. Hedgehog. Hedgehog. I am small and covered in tiny prickles. Dingo. Dingo. I am a wild dog from the dry land. Gazelle. Gazelle. I am very graceful and I run very fast. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. I tap on the trees with my sharp beak. Puffin. Puffin. I am a cute bird with a colorful beak. Kookaburra. Kookaburra. I make a loud sound like I am laughing. Narwhal. Narwhal. I am a whale with a long tusk like a unicorn. Swordfish. Swordfish. I have a long nose that looks like a sword. Seahorse. Seahorse. I am a tiny fish that swims upright. Chameleon. Chameleon. I can change my color to blend in. Hummingbird. Hummingbird. I am the smallest bird and I fly very fast. Ant. Ant. I am tiny, but I can carry very heavy things.